Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trish tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and use face morphing effect on TikTok. So what you want to go ahead and do is first open your TikTok app. And then you want to go ahead and search for face morphing. After searching for face morphing, you could go ahead and click on the effects right here. But if you want to go ahead and find the specific one that you're finding, just go ahead and find your videos. For example, if you want to go ahead and use this one, you could just go ahead and click on the effects button right here, and you will be able to select your own photos in order to morph those pictures. So you can actually go ahead and upload up to 5 photos right here, and I have a few examples that I could go ahead and use. I'll just go ahead and click on the plus icons right here. And after that, just go ahead and click on the OK button. Then it will go ahead and apply the effect for you. As you could go ahead and see, it perfectly works fine. The only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click on next, and you should be good to go. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.